How to add Discord link on your Linktree. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Discord link on your Linktree. It's super simple, so let's get started. Head over to your Discord at first, and once you're in your Discord, make sure that you're logged in. And if you want to share your server link on the Linktree, you need to simply go ahead and click on your server. And from here, you need to click on the drop down over here. And here you can see an option that says invite people. Simply go ahead and click on that. Now from here, you need to first set the link to never expire. You need to simply tick mark on this that says set this link to never expire. And here you can see that your invite link will never expire. You need to simply go ahead and copy the link after that. Once you have copied the link, you need to head over to your link tree and make sure that you're logged in here as well. From here, you can see an option that says add. You need to simply go ahead and click on add. Now you can simply go ahead and paste the link that you have copied before, and then you need to click on add. And once you have done, you can see that the Discord server has been added to your link tree. And that's it. You now know how to add your Discord link on your link tree. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.